Is luxury vinyl plank still worth it? Let me show you why the answer is absolutely yes. Raleigh's climate is tough on floors. Humid summers, heavy rain, temperature swings. Traditional hardwood, it warps, it buckles. It costs a fortune to repair. But luxury vinyl plank, it thrives in these conditions. Here's what makes it brilliant. The waterproof core means zero worry about spills in the kitchen or moisture in the basement. The scratch-resistant wear layer stands up to everything your pets and kids throw at it. And the price? A fraction of what you'd pay for comparable hardwood. Now let's talk about what's trending today. We're installing wide planks that make rooms feel larger and more upscale. Rich, authentic textures that capture every detail of natural wood grain. Low gloss finishes that look expensive and sophisticated. These aren't your grandmother's vinyl floors. This is premium flooring that rivals luxury hardwood. Our Triangle customers are putting luxury vinyl plank everywhere. Master bathrooms, kitchens, finished basements, open concept living spaces. Why? Because it delivers high-end style with real-world durability. Maintenance is refreshingly simple. Sweep regularly, mop when needed. That's it. No refinishing, no special cleaners, no anxiety when someone spills their coffee. And with proper care, these vinyl plank floors can last 15 to 25 years or longer. So, are you ready to upgrade your floors with style and smart engineering? Give us a call, and we'll bring our showroom directly to your door. Schedule your complimentary shop-at-home appointment today. Carolina In-Home Flooring, enhancing homes with quality transformations that bring families together.